We look at the physics collection as an investment, and it's an investment for all of our subscribers because it's something that you're going to use for every game that you make, and you're going to use it for many years to come, and it's flexible enough to be adapted to every single project that you're working on. The benefits to adding physics to your collection is no matter what surface you have or types of objects you have in your game, you're covered. And you're covered with a degree of consistency and a degree of flexibility. So if an object starts off as being 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters and then suddenly that object becomes 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters, you've got the sounds that will cover off on those changes of scale. And if it gets shrunken down to 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, you've got the small variation of those sounds. And no matter how a game evolves, you're not faced with, oh, they've changed the scale of all of these objects, and now I need to go out and re-record them, because I don't have the sound that matches that scale. So those kinds of benefits come with having the Strata collection, with its comprehensiveness and its flexibility. Our approach to audio quality is uncompromising. We're using state-of-the-art recorders, state-of-the-art microphones, recording everything in 24-bit, 96K, making sure that recordings are of equal quality across every single sound that we make. So there is no slightly off, not so good sound, which tends to be the situation that you'll face when you're pulling from other sound libraries, or maybe your physics matrix has been made over several years by different designers with different approaches, and the quality is inconsistent. The physics collection is huge, and it took nearly 3 years to put together from start to finish, from determining the scope of it and then going out, recording every single sound for it, and then editing those and producing the Reaper projects.
The trees are coming down!
So who would benefit from using the physics collection? I think that pretty much every single game that has any collisions in it. A real democratizer in terms of quality for every single game that has collisions in. And that's about it, I think. It's good for everyone.